Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Rainovo kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer, brushed nickel, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Rainovo kitchen faucet equipped with 4-mode pull-down sprayer, brushed nickel, including 2 innovative features, blade and mist. Elevate your kitchen experience with this state-of-the-art faucet. The blade mode boasts a robust, dense water flow, adept at tackling stubborn stains, while the mist mode provides a gentle, wide coverage ideal for rinsing fruits. Marrying efficiency with a sleek design, this faucet promises to redefine your kitchen's functionality and aesthetic. Rainovo kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer, brushed nickel. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Rainovo kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer, brushed nickel. Kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer. The flexible pull-down sprayer offers superior convenience and flexibility, allowing you to reach every corner of your sink effortlessly. It's perfect for rinsing dishes, filling pots, and even cleaning the sink itself. Kitchen sink faucet. The single handle lever provides effortless control of both water temperature and flow rate. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for busy households. Pull-down sprayer. Our faucet is constructed from high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting durability. The brushed nickel finish adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen decor. Easy installation. This kitchen faucet is designed for quick and easy installation. It comes with all the necessary hardware and clear instructions, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional plumbers. Easy to clean. The smooth surface and design make it easy to clean and maintain, ensuring your kitchen always looks its best. Here are some additional benefits of the Rainovo kitchen faucet. Durable construction, made from high-quality stainless steel for lasting performance. Leak-proof, equipped with ceramic disc cartridges to prevent leaks and drips. WaterSense certified, uses less water than standard faucets without sacrificing performance. The Rainovo kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer, brushed nickel is a stylish and functional faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. Here are some additional details. The faucet's spout reach and height, the flow rate of the faucet, whether the faucet comes with a warranty, any other unique features of the faucet. Rainovo kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer in brushed nickel, pros and cons. Pros: versatile 4-mode spray, stylish brushed nickel finish, convenient single-handle operation, high arc design, easy installation, durable construction, leak-proof, WaterSense certified. Cons: unclear warranty information, limited finish options. Overall, the Rainovo kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer offers a blend of style, functionality, and water efficiency. Its versatile sprayer and sleek design are appealing, but potential sprayer issues and limited brand recognition are worth considering. Carefully weigh the pros and cons against your budget and priorities to determine if this faucet is the right fit for your kitchen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Rainovo kitchen faucet with 4-mode pull-down sprayer, brushed nickel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.